Hi, have a good day. My name is Rachel Picanillo, 33 years old from Philippines. I am married and I have 3 kids already. Their ages 2, 11, and 14. I am college graduate in the course of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education. And I'm also a licensed teacher here in Philippines. I have experience to teaching grade 1 and grade 2 students and also grade 5 and grade 6 students. I can teach all the subjects like math, science, and English. I have also experience of as a nanny tutor in UAE of a 25 years old boy. Since the 25 years old boy has a high syndrome, I talk to him like a small child. I am the one who let the boy feed his food and change his clothes and assisting him while he is in the bathroom, and also tutor their lessons from school. And also since the boy is can't balance himself, I'm the one who make him exercise every day. And since the family is 6, they have also a twin, a grade 8 twin, so I'm the one also who tutored the twin to teach his lessons in the school, and also help him to do his homework, and also especially there is an exam, and I can do also all the household chores like ironing, washing, and cleaning the room and the bathroom. And I have also experience of a newborn baby and a 5 years old girl. And as your applicant, I will do all my duties and responsibilities to do all my job. I am responsible, honest, trustworthy, respectful, and willing to learn new things. Thank you and God bless.